Anthony Elmore, President and Founder of the Proud Black Buddhist World Association. We are not only the Black Buddhist force in America, we are the Black Buddhist force in the world. And today we bring you another exciting Black Buddhist lecture. Our lecture today is Nichiren SoulShu Buddhist. Let us first explain the birth of soul, or the birth of soul music. See, soul music is a child of the 60s, and it is the music that was associated with Black culture and Black self-identity. You see, the 60s was an age, and that was an age that I grew up as a kid. It was the age of Black enlightenment and Black self-identity. You see, soul music reflected the African-American identity, and it stressed the importance of an African-American culture. The newfound of African-American consciousness led to new styles of music which boasted pride of being Black. You see, our definition of soul, we say that soul is a unique manifestation of a spiritual entity expressed via a Black cultural characteristic. See, via the Black conscious movement, soul emerged in America. See, soul was a reflection of Black pride and culture. The Proud Black Buddhist World Association sect are called Nichiren SoulShu Buddhist. The word soul for Black people in America is an enlightenment. Soul is a pride, a dignity, a self-consciousness. Soul is an enlightenment of Black people in America. Nichiren SoulShu Buddhists do not view enlightenment as an Asian on a mountain meditating. Nichiren SoulShu Buddhists are people who are awakened to the true history, culture, and language of Black Buddhist history. We Nichiren SoulShu Buddhists do not close our eyes to racism, white supremacy, and the extrication of Black Buddhist history. You see, just as in the 1960s, whereas Black people awakened to Black consciousness, Nichiren SoulShu Buddhists awakened to their Black consciousness of Black Buddhist history, culture, and language. Nichiren SoulShu Buddhists are Buddhists who are awakened or who are enlightened to their Black Buddhist consciousness.